So what happens is, in Tibetan society, they always say to you that you have the option of practicing Dorje Shugden. You have the freedom to practice Dorje Shugden. You're allowed to practice Dorje Shugden. And if you practice Dorje Shugden, you have all the freedom to do so. You have your own monasteries. That's very deceptive, because if you practice Dorje Shugden, if you checked Tibet.net, if you check the Tibetan exile government's official website, which originates from Dharamsala, North India, Himachal Pradesh, if you check Tibet.net, the constitution, the exile constitution of the Tibetan government is that if you don't give up Dorje Shugden and you practice, you may not attend the Dalai Lama's teachings. You may not attend the Dalai Lama's secular talks. You may not work in the Tibetan government's any jobs in the Tibetan government. You may not go to the Tibetan government-sponsored hospitals and schools and facilities. Yes, that is happening today.